In the next 5 years, artificial intelligence will outperform humans in ways most people aren't prepared for. Not in the future, not in sci-fi movies. Right now. So the real question isn't if AI will change humanity. It's what happens after it does. Humans built machines to serve us, but today, those machines are learning, creating, deciding. From writing music to diagnosing disease, AI is stepping into territory once reserved for the human mind. So, where does that leave us? Artificial intelligence already writes articles, composes songs, edits videos, designs logos, drives cars, predicts markets, and diagnoses illnesses. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for raises, and it learns millions of times faster than the human brain. In seconds, AI can analyze more data than a human could in a lifetime. And every day, it gets smarter. But humans still dominate in one critical area: conscious experience, emotion, meaning, morality, creativity driven by life itself. AI can imitate creativity, but it doesn't feel heartbreak. It doesn't dream. It doesn't understand purpose. At least, not yet. The future won't be AI versus humans. It will be AI with humans, or humans left behind. Jobs won't disappear overnight, but they will transform. The winners won't be the strongest or smartest. They'll be the ones who adapt. Those who use AI will replace those who don't. The next phase is already forming. AI companions, human-AI collaboration, brain-machine interfaces. Imagine thinking an idea, and AI builds it instantly. Imagine learning in days what once took years. The line between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is beginning to blur. With great power comes great risk, bias, surveillance, loss of privacy, and a world where decisions are made by systems we don't fully understand. The question is no longer, can we build it, but should we? AI isn't here to replace humanity. It's here to challenge it. The future belongs to those who evolve, those who learn, those who choose to work with intelligence, both artificial and human. Because in the end, the most powerful force won't be AI. It will be humans who know how to use it. What do you think? Will AI elevate humanity or replace it? Comment below. Subscribe for more future-focused content. And stay curious. The future is already here.